Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will talk about some beautiful annual or seasonal flowering plants that you can grow during the winter-spring season in India that have fragrance. Having plants with fragrance really enhances your gardening experience. These plants not only have beautiful flowers but they also have scent that will fill your garden. I love growing these and you will also love them too. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and stay connected. The first plant is alyssum or sweet alyssum. They're small compact plants with tiny flowers that come in shades of white, pink and purple. The flowers bloom a lot and they cover up the entire plant. They also have a sweet mild scent which makes them so special. Growing them is very easy. You can grow them in full sun or partial shade and they do wonderful in small containers and hanging baskets. They are beautiful and delicate plants and you will love growing them. Next is Phlox. Phlox is one of my favorites. They are wonderful plants and they have beautiful flowers that bloom in bunch. They come in lovely colors and lots of varieties. One of the best features of the plant is that the fragrance. They have really beautiful scent and especially during the evening, they just fill your garden with the beautiful aroma. They are really easy to grow, sun-loving flowers and they bloom quite a lot. They have one of the best fragrance and you should definitely grow them in your garden. Number 3, Stock. This is a great plant. They bloom on long flower stems. They look really nice. They come in single and double varieties and they have lovely colors. They also have a light delicate fragrance which fills the garden especially during the evening and makes the atmosphere really romantic. The flowers look really lovely and they attract a lot of pollinators in the garden. They're quite easy to grow and you will also find hybrid varieties for small pots. I love growing these plants. Number 4, Freesia. This is a bulb plant and they have quite colorful, pretty looking flowers. They almost look like orchid flowers and they have a really beautiful fragrance. One of the best fragrance in my garden. It has quite strong lemony scent which is very satisfying. As a bulb plant, they're quite easy to grow and they grow very well in full sunlight and well draining soil. You can save the bulbs and grow them every year. They're very easy to grow. Number 5, Cineraria. This is one of the most beautiful plants you can grow in the garden. They're compact and great for small pots. They have amazing flowers. The daisy-like colorful flowers fill up the plant. They almost look unreal. The bonus is that they have beautiful scent. This is a shade-loving plant and the flowers are quite long-lasting. This plant will add fragrance to the shady part of your garden. You will love growing these. 6. Carnation. The Dianthus or Carnation flowers are quite popular and easy to grow plants and they come in fragrant varieties too. They have quite nice scent and they're really compact flowers that you can grow in small pots. You will find single and double variety flowers. They're quite easy to maintain and you will definitely love growing these. Next up is Geranium, one of my favorite plants. I love everything about it, the flowers, the leaves and of course the fragrance. Now the geraniums have many varieties and this one has scented leaves and I absolutely love it. This is a favorite scent in my garden. Geraniums are very hardy and easy plants to grow. They give you long-lasting flowers. You should definitely grow these in your garden. Other than this, you will also find scented petunias. They're also great. I've grown them in my garden and they were lovely. So these were some beautiful plants that you can grow in your garden and you will get the bonus of lovely fragrance. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.